Biyamono, Excellence the Governor, the Deputy Governor, n'abantu bonsi bakire ase nyangi ya Vigita. Biyamore korango iga. Biyamono, Excellence the Governor, nima today. Abantu re iga tuensi, igotore ga ese safari, ese sababu yemo. Esa sababu entangani no goja ase nyangi yo mweri yo mwana Victor. Ne sababu ya kabere no korenta masabe se familia ekiagara ekina kieke nene nande. Your Excellency, before Ntala proceed, allow me with a lot of humility ndente ekilaki assembly nere gwarika bwango iga nere alarua pole yaye.
Asante, karibu.
Thank you. Your Excellency and all protocol observed, the family, ya mwaka Nyainya, ya OCP, ne Kenyoro kwa jumla, pole. Ili asogo chaga, onainyora a family, mwaka Nyainya, akera tuwarago some skuru rio kino, tuwarago serwa, adera tuwakarete na 200 otobwatere dirisha na madam na otokoranere se government His Excellency the Governor no mwana oyo siramaremu na musometi Kisi School kuna mwewo mheshimiwa Amos Yateba baringe class common and ons pole sana. Madam Angogotevi oremereri okore matanga ochiche egasieri okoroko wate se Governor ochiche egasieri toire tonyekore nechinguru tokonyo mu Governor agenderi egasi aye buna mwewo agenderi okore gasingia. Your Excellency, I want to confirm to you na ebintu watobetego ja assembly fiscal strategy paper and debt management paper. I the signature and I committed to the speaker who in turn committed the budget committee. Chi program they are very important. We go and program going forward in the next financial year. It's a county.